So we're getting ready for the total solar eclipse.
When we're out in our yards looking up, and then we're looking around to look at the stuff. Here with the top battery-operated tech to get your yard ready for this weekend and the entire spring season. Home contractor Skip Bedell. And Skip,
hey guys.
I love this because
Yeah.
I've got a lot of this stuff, but it runs on gas, it runs on electricity.
Yeah.
This all runs on
Well, now you
batteries.
get the power of gas without any of the noise, the fuss, the fumes. Ego I've had on a million times. This year they come out with so many new things, and I'm excited to show you about the new innovations.
Okay.
This is their new 22-inch all-cast aluminum deck, most powerful lawnmower they make, lifetime guarantee, runs for 70 minutes.
Self-propelled.
Self-propelled, just press a button, it does all the work. You can walk behind it. But if you don't want to walk behind it, you can ride behind it. Check this out. This is a brand new ride-on tractor, only in its class, operates on 6
Look at
batteries,
that.
which is
That is
super
so cool.
You put one plug into the side of this thing, and it'll charge all your batteries at the same time. But this is a utility tractor. I tow a trailer around with it, plus you have a 42-inch mowing deck, so unbelievable.
Fantastic. Now, I was power washing the deck, but I got to a part on the deck where I didn't have electricity.
Watch this,
I
guys.
need this thing.
3,200 PSI, so this is super powerful. You run on 2 batteries. You can adjust the power on the wand, which is really nice. It's all electronic.
Cool.
And it's totally portable, so you can roll it anywhere you want to go. Really nice. You have different size heads depending upon the pressure that you want to use. And again, everything runs on the batteries.
And the batteries come with it, right?
Yes, batteries come with it. Shop vac, brand new this year, so you have lots of power. You even have a light on it. This is unbelievable. All your tools are right here on the side. And the best part is it is all totally portable. Take it out to your car and vacuum anything. No electrical cord. Unbelievable.
Okay. I wish we had a way to get around.
Guys, you know what? After you get done doing all the work and you finish with the chores, Carl, check this out. Bring it in. This is unbelievable. First time ever seen. This is the brand new
I always wanted a mini bike.
Guys, look at this thing. Again, Ego. You got 2 batteries operating this thing. It does almost 30 miles an hour. It'll ride for 20 miles. Front and rear suspension, hydraulic disc brakes. It is like a full-on motorcycle. Unbelievable. All by Ego. And the best part is you're able to use the same batteries you had on your lawnmower. Now snap it into the bike and the kids can ride around the property.
You know, the good thing about all the stuff you have shown us that runs on gas is, you know, we heard yesterday that gas could be $5 a gallon.
That's right. Yeah. Yep. So you got batteries, no more gas, no more fumes.
And one battery runs 80 different items?
It does. Over 80 different tools. And right now is a great time to get it because they have a super savings program. Unbelievable discounts.
All right.
Okay.
Fantastic.
SkipBedell.com. Thank you, Skip.
Thank you so much.
That's cool. Stick around. We'll be right back live from New York City where we electrified everything.